SpaceX and Tesla CEO Elon Musk are on a venture for a brain-computer interface called Neuralink. Making brain implantable gadgets is a project that Neuralink is still in the early stages of research. To stay up with the development of artificial intelligence, it'll benefit humans to integrate with computer software. These improvements could boost memory or provide a more direct interface with computational hardware. While neurotechnology and brain-computer interfaces have been around for decades, Elon Musk's Neuralink aims to package it into a coin-sized implant and take it to the masses. The implant would not only let humans interact with computers just through thought, but also augment the nervous system. This video brings you Elon Musk's experiment to visualize the betterment of humans in medical fields to treat neurological conditions like movement disorders, spinal cord injury, and blindness. Elon Musk founded Neuralink Corporation. This aims to build a tool to link human brains with computers without needing a physical connection. Elon Musk aspires to develop a new method of interacting with technology. Launched in 2016, Neuralink had its initial public mention in March 2017. It has a team of 7 scientists and engineers. Neuralink will follow Musk's standard mode of operation. Musk is going for a long-term goal for the betterment of mankind. It needs to acquire some of the best talents in the field to work on a business model, and later on the project's original goal. Elon Musk is on the way to put this trial in humans. This technology has been tested on a monkey and a pig by putting chips in them. Human trials have yet to start. Elon Musk and his team were optimistic about beginning by the end of 2020, but it's not easy to get FDA approval. Musk said Neuralink prototypes had been tested on rodents and even monkeys. Some components will be surgically implanted into the surface of your brain. Brain implants have been going on since the 1970s, so it's a technology that has been around for a while. Our brain remains a big mystery. We started decoding the origin of intelligence very recently only. Musk has made hints that Neuralink would exist and said it would be more like a closer union of biological and computational intelligence. A brain-computer interface that people may utilize to better themselves is known as Neuralink. He has tweeted to his followers about his developments. It mostly concerns the output, bandwidth, and speed of the link between your brain and the digital representation of yourself. Elon Musk has detailed his vision for his new human-computer chip brain venture, Neuralink, which will allow us to connect our consciousness directly with AI. Elon Musk once expressed his fears that the new technology of AI would destroy the human brain. But in 2015, he surprised the world by establishing his own AI research nonprofit company, OPENAI. OPENAI is a completely open way of researching AI technologies. According to Musk, it was like, if you can beat them, join them. Musk's real concern about AI was how companies worked on it behind closed doors. All the ideas of Elon Musk came from science fiction movies. First, SpaceX, Musk's plan to colonize Mars by humans. Second is Tesla, like the car in iRobot. And now the third is Neuralink, which will make a Cronenbergian sci-fi horror picture. According to Elon Musk, Neuralink is a computer chip that'll integrate our consciousness directly into AI. Musk aims through Neuralink to connect our consciousness directly to artificial intelligence. Neuralink will revolutionize the thoughts of our communication by translating them into words. The brain will filter what you say to someone without arguments or hurting the other person's feelings. You don't have to force someone to do a job. Artificial intelligence does the job. Neuralink will have a lot of advantages and blend the human brain with artificial intelligence, and it would become an added human function just like speech. It'll be a new beginning in human augmentation. Neuralink could also allow us to incorporate cloud-based AI computing directly into our minds. For the time being, Neuralink will be functioning for therapeutic applications to help people with disabilities and to cure certain diseases and illnesses. Elon Musk plans to bring profound changes to humankind with the help of AI. A paralyzed person will be benefited from using this Neuralink technology. He wanted to see a paralyzed person controlling a computer mouse using their brain. Elon Musk's idea is not new, and it's known that since 2000, a group of patients has been using such brain-controlling computers. It is said that experiments are carried out to produce visions in monkeys. ELECTRODES devices are placed into the visual cortex of 2 monkeys. A video has been shown by the engineers of Neuralink of a monkey moving its gaze in response to visual stimulation. It was the simplest possible demonstration of a vision-producing technique. Elon Musk also claims an implant could restore vision to blind people. A brain implant produces a field of single-colored spots of light which causes a low-fidelity visual display. This has been done in Spain using the Utah Array implant, which has 96 electrodes. A blind woman used such a system to get the brain to make out letters single color. Musk believes that humans of today can be regarded as cyborgs. Cyberganic extensions such as smartphones and computers enable us to gain knowledge, run quicker calculations, and expand our capabilities. But data transfer remains a hindrance between the communication of the human brain and the digital device. But Musk strongly believes he can overcome it with digital implants that read our minds. Synthetic threads with electrodes that can receive and transmit information from neurons to sensors connected to the outside digital world are implanted by the brain machine and range in diameter from 4 to 6 meters. It's known that the Neuralink engineers have already implanted 96 threads with 32 electrodes each, or 3,072 electrodes in primate brains. While human surgeons find it difficult to insert such a thin, flexible thread into the human brain, here's the victory of Neuralink. They have developed a robotic implanter fitted with a loaded needle pincher cartridge, low-force contact brain position sensor, light modules, needle monitor, and multiple cameras. Neuralink is not the first to design a brain implant system. Brown University research has proposed BrainGate to help patients who have lost their limbs or other bodily functions due to a condition such as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis or ALS. BrainGate is an implanted Utah array that consists of 100 electrodes that can receive signals firing with specific areas of the brain. The Neuralink BMI system uses materials that are much better matched to the properties of the brain tissues, and it uses more electrodes for data transfer. So when we compare Neuralink with BrainGate, Neuralink promises better compatibility and durability. The robotic electrode inserter invented by Neuralink is well advanced. It automatically inserts up to 6 threads with 192 electrodes in a minute. Before execution, it targets insertion sites and avoids thread entanglement. According to a project white paper credited to Elon Musk and Neuralink, the robotic inserter has an average of 87.1% or plus minus 12.6% insertion success rate over 19 primate surgeries. The N1 sensors can connect to 1,024 electrodes wired to a wearable pod with the help of Bluetooth and a battery worn behind the ear. Each sensor can run spike detection algorithms to process digitized broadband signals. They're also trying to develop a wireless BMI system for humans. Neuralink also plans to implant 4 such sensors in a human subject, 3 in the motor cortex and 1 in the somatosensory cortex. Philip SABES, Neuralink senior scientist, says the BMI system can decode neural signals recorded from the motor cortex and one day use that information for direct brain stimulation to help treat neurological disorders such as Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and dystonia. Neuralink, to fulfill their high-tech, black mirror-like vision, has assembled a team of top scientists, including Philip SABES, who has worked on brain machines interfaced, Vanessa Tolosa, a neurosurgeon who has also a PhD in electrical engineering and computer science from MIT, Timothy Gardner, an associate professor of biology at Boston University, who has implanted devices in birds, Max HODAK, who worked on brain-machine interface technology while at Duke University, Paul MEROLLA, a veteran designer for more than 10 brain-inspired chips. Neuralink has also raised $158 million and employs over 90 people. It is not predictable when Elon Musk's dream about Neuralink will happen and when we will be able to see his mission becoming fruitful. Musk himself admitted that it'd be at least 8 to 10 years before we see any of their products that aren't specifically used in healthcare. However, Musk is very ambitious and will see to it that it comes true. If he succeeds in this venture, Neuralink will undoubtedly be the beginning of a new scientific age.